What's up guys? Are you hunting for a mid-range device that doesn't just compete with flagships, it absolutely embarrasses them? You might be thinking, no way, that's impossible. Well, buckle up, because today, a leak just dropped that completely shatters every expectation we've ever had. Picture this, a 300 megapixel camera that makes your DSLR look like a toy. A monstrous 8000 mAh battery that lets you go on a road trip and leave the power bank at home. And performance so snappy, even future games will struggle to keep up. This isn't a dream, folks. This is the reality of the Nokia Eve 5G. Today, we are diving into an exclusive breakdown of the leaked specs for this absolute beast of a machine. This isn't just a phone, it's a market disruptor. So stick around, because things are about to get wild. Let's get into it. Features of the Nokia Eve 5G 2026. Display. Let's start with the visual experience. The display isn't just big, it is stunning. We're looking at a massive 6.89-inch QHD plus LTPO Super AMOLED panel that is going to make your eyes pop. With a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and gaming are going to feel buttery smooth. And if you're worried about drops, don't be. It's rocking Gorilla Glass 6 and full IP68 water resistance. Rain, dust, this phone just laughs it off. Camera setup. But the real revolution is happening in the camera department. The primary shooter is a jaw-dropping 300 megapixel sensor. You heard that right, you can zoom in until your fingers get tired, and the details just won't fade. It's paired with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8 megapixel macro lens. For the selfie kings and queens out there, a massive 50 megapixel front camera is waiting for you. Plus, with 8K recording, every single video shot is going to look cinematic. Performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The performance is driven by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, most powerful chipsets on the planet. Backed by 12 GB of RAM, this phone eats heavy gaming and multitasking for breakfast. On the software side, you're getting the latest Android 16 right out of the box, clean, smooth, and bloatware-free. Battery backup. Of course, all that power needs juice, and this is where the phone truly shines. It packs an insane 8000 mAh battery. That is a number that brings peace to the soul. Nokia claims you're looking at 2 to 3 days of battery life. And when you finally do run dry, the 100-watt ultra-fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just 25 to 30 minutes. Take a coffee break, come back, and you're set for the day. Price and launch date. So, the big question, what is this going to cost you? According to our sources, the Nokia Eve 5G is expected to land around $800. That is flagship-level specs for a mid to high-range price tag. As for the release date, we are expecting this bomb to drop around mid-2026.